Yes, look at what you got. Look at,
nice
no,
bag.
Holly.
Look at that tail swelling.
Holly, this one's yours. This one's yours. No, not you. Yeah. There we go.
Why do you
And
even
this
bother
one,
putting
this
names
one
on
is
them?
Emmy. Oh, okay. Emmy. Here we go, Emmy. This one's yours. And this one's Polly's. Yeah. And Daisy, there's yours. Daisy, this one is yours.
Not that big.
Daisy.
Do they ever keep the presents? They gotta
No, here.
They always.
Okay,
They always
let's get
want
that.
to-
Okay, they all got different presents now, but that was
I think
their
they're
Christmas
the
presents.
My cats would be so thrilled with those bags.
Yes,
I woke up the other morning and I had a hamper